Hi everyone, and welcome to Our Friendly World. My name is Kennedy, and today I'll be showing you how to weave in the ends on your crochet project. This will be a quick and simple little video, but this is a technique that is used to finish just about any crochet project, from little items like this Easter egg garland I'm working on, all the way up to blankets, sweaters, and the stuffed animals that you might make. All you'll need is your crochet project with the loose ends, a tapestry needle, and scissors. Start by threading the loose end of your crochet project through your tapestry needle. This might be hanging off of a small piece like this Easter egg garland I'm working on, or it could be from joining yarn in the center of a bigger project like a blanket or sweater, or from where you changed colors. Either way, you're going to go ahead and thread it on your tapestry needle, and now you're using your needle to weave your end throughout your project. So, for example, if this was a striped egg, I would be trying to weave my white yarn through a white section, or vice versa. If I had a colored piece of yarn, I'd want to weave that through a colored section. It just helps to hide it. But you'll weave this in and out, and then it even helps for extra security to turn a corner. So I was going straight this way. Now I'm just going to weave through these stitches a little bit more to give that extra security. Tug on your piece to smooth it back out to the shape it's supposed to be. And then carefully trim the piece off, being sure not to cut any of the stitches on your project. And with that, the end is woven in. On this end, I crocheted all the way around it as I was working, so this end is already woven in, and I'm going to carefully do the same steps here, pulling on it a little bit and trimming it without cutting any of my stitches. And with that, all my ends are woven in. This can feel tedious on a big project, but once it's done, it really makes your project look nice and clean and finished. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. This little Easter egg motif is from my Easter egg garland kit and pattern, which I'll leave a link to in the description. Thanks for watching!